What's up guys, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen, and I am back with another exciting recipe for you. This recipe is inspired by Wendy's and we are making oatmeal bar. One of the healthiest recipe and it is super easy to make. I can't wait to try this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In my oatmeal bar, I am adding dried blueberry, but you can substitute it with some dry fruits, either raspberry dried or any dried fruits that you like. Our Wendy's oatmeal bar is ready and it takes hardly 10 to 15 minutes to make. Try this recipe at your home and let me know in the comment section below. That's all for today guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.